Navigating where and when you can get a COVID-19 vaccine has been a struggle for some. But imagine trying to get a vaccine appointment if you're blind or visually impaired. Conte shows us the efforts underway to make sure they aren't forgotten.
Kyle Robideau is on a mission, even if it's hard to see exactly what he's fighting for.
The lack of familiarity definitely increases the anxiety.
Kyle is 45 years old. He first started losing his vision when he was 11. And as the pandemic rages on, he's making sure others who are visually impaired aren't being forgotten about in this nation's vaccination campaign.
It's just a certain level of discomfort of not knowing exactly where I am.
We asked Kyle to meet us at a vaccination clinic. When he first tried getting here, Kyle's Uber dropped him off a half-mile away. It took him 30 minutes to get to the right location.
And once I know that what it is, then it's certainly helpful in what direction I need to go in.
As we quickly learned, every detail matters for Kyle. These rope lines meant to control crowds can be confusing.
I think it's great to have volunteers or staff outside the building.
A little nervous? Don't be nervous.
Details matter too once inside. Kyle recommended this vaccination site spread out their vaccine stations to allow for more room so someone with a walking cane can get by. He also told officials they needed more light.
For folks who have some usable vision, trying to increase that lighting.
Even just eliminating one hurdle can make all the difference for someone who's blind or visually impaired.
Just confirming this is the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine you've ever received?
That is correct.
Something as simple as choosing the right sign colors can make a difference.
For folks like me who have some usable vision, that increases the chance that I'm actually going to be able to see that sign if it has good contrast.
About 12 million people in the United States have some form of vision impairment. Nearly 1 million of them are blind. Vision disability is one of the top 10 disabilities among adults age 18 years and older.
We've really crafted the workflow.
Manny Lopes oversees the healthcare nonprofit which opened this vaccine site.
We really tackle this one person at a time, and whatever resources that person needs to make sure that they get this vaccine, we want to make sure that we're providing.
It's not just vaccination sites that can be difficult to navigate. Those vaccine websites that have created frustration nationwide are often designed without the visually impaired in mind.
This work in particular is really important that it's open to all and there are no barriers to receiving the vaccine.
Beautiful.
In the fight to get this country vaccinated, Kyle Robideau is making sure every person gets seen. I'm Conte.